together. I would say we have fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hey doll, welcome. Please do click that subscribe button below to become part of this blissful family. And if you're returning Savvy, thank you so much, my darling, for pulling through to another video. Anyway, Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying with your families, friends, let me just say loved ones, because child. Anyway, so I'm getting ready for the Christmas lunch. I'm wearing all white, but I'm gonna put on, I'll show you. So right now I'm gonna put on my rings, the jewelries, because I'm also gonna wear like white earrings. So Sana, let's get ready. So guys, so this is my this is my final look. I'm gonna put this on, and yeah, so I have my rings, I have my white earrings, I have my necklace. It's a Leo necklace, and that's on period. Yeah.
Your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please.
Nobody joke. But anyway, let me and my family wish you guys a Merry Christmas, okay? Say Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas!
Say Merry Christmas. Hope you guys enjoy with your families and friends, and that's on period. Okay, so guys, we're in Sea Point to catch the sunset, because what about without sunset? I'm kidding. My addiction for sunset is so insane. But yeah, we're here to catch the sunset and go back home. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I don't know if we're gonna chill after the sunset or what, but yeah, we'll see.
Please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking
'cause I was the love of her best friend. We could've hung out, could've hit a nice spot, but she said it wasn't gonna happen. So I had to try and get her out of my head. Move on and understand, 'cause in the end they'll be friends and I will be just another love of a best friend. I finally decided to let this girl know exactly how I feel. I could no longer hide it, 'cause I was so afraid I would be losing something so real. And to my surprise, she felt the same way. It totally blew my mind. But she said her loyalty comes first. We should just remain friends, maybe in another lifetime. Oh, 'cause I was the love of her best friend. We could've hung out, could've hit a nice spot, but she said it wasn't gonna happen. So I had to try and get her out of my head and understand, 'cause in the end they'll be friends and I will be just another love of a best friend. So I try to convince her, please don't let this pass, maybe even keep it hush. She said that's not what I do, 'cause I'm a true friend. You should just give this up. But lady, how can I get you out of my mind? You're truly one of a kind. I wish I met you before you met.
Hey Mr. guys, so we just got in from Pavillion. So right now we ordered our drinks and the food already. So I'm gonna show you guys how they look like when they get here. Stay tuned.
If life could just rewind, we couldn't be lovers, 'cause I was the love of her best friend. We could've hung out, could've hit a nice spot, but she said it wasn't gonna happen. So I had to try and get her out of my head. Move on and understand, 'cause in the end they'll be friends and I will be just another love of a best friend. Baby, come on, give us a try. Yeah. Baby, come on, I know what you like. Baby, come on, give us a try. Give us a try. Baby, come on, I know what you like. Baby, come on, give us a try. Come on, give us a try, baby. Come on, I know what you like. Baby, right here. Come on and give us a try. Baby, come on, I know what you like. We couldn't be friends, we couldn't be lovers, 'cause I was the love of her best friend. We could've hung out, could've hit a nice spot, but she said it wasn't gonna happen. Whatever you want, baby. So I had to try and get her out of my head. Move on and understand, 'cause in the end they'll be friends and I will be.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. Got it